everybody, how are you today? This is Bahar Masaili, and in this video, I'm going to teach you possessive adjectives. Okay, what is it? What is possessive adjective? You know what is subject pronoun? Of course, yes, you know it. Okay, because I told you before. No, we have 8 subject pronouns. Okay, I, he, she, it, you, we, they. Okay, and as you know, we have 2 yous. Okay, you for singular and you for plural form. Okay, and now we want to say what is possessive adjectives. Okay, possessive adjective. So when we say, for example, my, okay, look at this. My, his, her, its, your, our, their. Okay, these are possessive adjectives. Maybe you are familiar with this. Okay, but you should know that we use possessive adjectives when we want to say that something belongs to someone else, okay, or someone owns something, okay, we use in this case. So you should know that after possessive adjectives, we need to use a noun. Okay, a noun. For example, my car. Okay, my car. Okay, can say my marker. Your teacher. Yes, you can say teacher as a noun and say your teacher. Okay, so we can use nouns after these verbs. Okay, and now in the next part I'm going to make some examples for you. Let's go through the next part. Okay, as you see here, I wrote possessive adjectives with some nouns. So we start with the first one. The first is my. Okay, my. Okay, maybe I own something. Yes, can say my name. My name. Okay, my name is Bahare. Okay, my name is Bahare. Okay, my father, can say my father. Okay, my father is rich. Okay, my father has lots of money, so he is rich. Okay, my bag. My bag. Okay, I have a bag. Okay, and I can say my bag. My bag is very cute. Okay, my bag is very cute. Now, another. You can say something with yours too. Okay, with my. Okay, can say some example with my. Yeah. Tell me my and say yes. Okay. Now another with his. Okay, his refers to a man, a boy, okay, or a man, and we can say we use his to show that something belongs to a man or a boy. For example, his car. Okay, for example, we can say his car is yellow. Maybe, I don't know, his car is yellow. Now, his mother, very kind, okay? Can say his mother is very kind. his mother, yes, his mother is very kind. Or his daughter is very gorgeous. His daughter is very gorgeous. Now, another. Now with hair. Hair. Hair refers to a woman or a girl. You can say we use hair to show that something belongs to a woman or belongs to a girl. Now, her son. Yes, her son is very smart. Her son is very smart. Okay. Now, her house. Her house is very big. Her house is very big. Her books. Her books. Okay, can say her books are a lot. Her books are a lot. Now it's. Okay, we use it's to show that something belongs to an animal. It's, for example, its tail. Its tail. Its name. Its name. Okay, you can say, no, its name is, I don't know, pet. Yes, maybe, I don't know. Okay, its food sounds delicious. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, and now with your. Okay, we use your to show that something belongs to you. Yes? Your, for example, your country. Your country. Your country is very beautiful. Your country is very beautiful. Now, your family. Your family. For example, your family has a big house. Maybe your family has a big house. Or your teacher. Your teacher. You can say, your teacher is really, okay, you can say an adjective for this, yes, you can say it. Your teacher is really knowledgeable. Yes, is really knowledgeable. Yeah, has lots of information. Yes, our. Okay, we can say we use our to show that some things belongs to me and maybe others. Yes, okay, can say our dog. Our dog. Our dog is very noisy. Our dog is very noisy. And I can say our restaurant is very crowded. Our restaurant is very crowded. Our names are Julia and Alex. Maybe. Their family. Okay, their family. You can say their. Okay, we use their to show that something belongs to, or someone can say belongs to others. Yes, not me, not you. You can say others. Their family. Their family has lots of things to do. Maybe. Their school. Their school. Their school is, or can say their school has lots of classrooms. Yes? Now, Their friends. Their friends. Their friends, you can say, their friends are really funny. Yes, maybe their friends are really funny. Okay, thank you so much. Now, can say my name, my father, my bag, his car, his mother, his daughter, her son, her house, her books, its tail, its name, its food, your country, your family, your teacher, our dog, our restaurant, our names, their family, their school, their friends. Okay, now let's go through the next part of this video. Okay, as you see here, I wrote 3 of the possessive adjectives on the board, and I want to tell you something. Maybe you get confused with these words, its, your, and their. Yes, their. So, you should know that when we say its, okay, we need, okay, it's as an can say as a possessive adjective. Okay, we can say that we have to use a noun after it. For example, its name, its food. I told you its tail. Yes, its tail. And you know that the dog has a tail. Yes. Okay. And we shouldn't get confused with it, that is the contraction form of it is. Yes, it is. So it is a possessive adjective. And also the next is your. You know that when we say your as a possessive adjective, we should use a noun after it. As I told you, for example, your family, your bag, your name, okay? And something like this. So we can say your, but here, your, okay, we shouldn't get confused with the word your as a contraction form of you are, yes? And it is not correct to get it confused. Now there, okay, we have 2 words that are the same, that has the same pronunciation of there, okay? There and there, yes? But here, this there is the contraction form of they are. And we shouldn't get confused, these things fit together. Okay, and now I think it's better to go to the next part of this video. Let's go. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. If you like it, you can share with your friends and also click on the notification bell in order to know about my new videos. And also please write some great examples and make some great examples with possessive adjectives, and let me know about this. Okay, you can write it in the comment section below. And okay, and I will back here with a great video, okay, with a great new video, and I hope to see you here again. Goodbye and have a great day. Bye.